reggae artist Coffee has entered the UK official singles chart with her hit single, Toast. The single currently sits at number 84. Coffee is the youngest Jamaican artist in 41 years to make this chart. The artist has been gaining recognition worldwide since the release of the hit single back in November of 2018. Coffee's new EP, titled Rapture, which was released back on March 14, debuted at number 1 on the US Billboard chart. It features the title track, Rapture, which is the next single to be released internationally. Now, Coffee's success follows that of Jamaican singer-songwriter Millie Small, who was 17 years old when she reached number 2 on the UK chart back in March of 1964 with her hit track, My Boy Lollipop. The most successful reggae acts to have been featured on the UK chart are Sean Paul. He has 30 entries, including 2 #1 songs. Shaggy has 4 chart toppers from 19 entries, while Bob Marley and the Wailers, they have 22 charted titles. Dancehall act Popcorn is slated to join Buju Banton on the 2019 staging of the St. Kitts Music Festival. The announcement was recently made for the event, which is scheduled for the Kim Collins Stadium at Bird Rock from June 27 to 29. Other acts who have been confirmed for the concert are American-Nigerian singer Davido, Vincentian soca artist Skinny Fabulous, American rapper French Montana, among others. Organizers of the event aims to provide a lineup for the festival that is appealing to persons right across all age groups and demographics. Popcorn will grace the stage on Friday, June 28, along with French Montana, Cockatee, among others. Now, on the international scene, Toronto rapper Drake recently confirmed a collective project dubbed What a Time to Be Alive Part 2, which features American rapper Future. During his Assassination Vacation tour at London's O2 Arena, Drake brought out Future on stage during his performance. Now, after the show, Future took to Instagram with Drake, where they revealed that they were working on some new music. The two rappers surprised fans back in 2015 when they dropped the first collective project, What a Time to Be Alive. Fans can expect only new music to be featured on this album. No release date yet has been announced. That's it for this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.